Improving the look of your home can often have numerous benefits. Ironworks in the form of railings, banisters, doors, windows, and even stairs can add tremendous security, safety, and style. Founded by Rosa Klinghoffer, San Miguel Ironworks has been beautifying and upgrading homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for 15 years.
I started this company about 15 years ago. At the time, I was a single mom. I needed something that would give me some independence, at the same time, something that I was passionate about. So I had experience with ironwork, and so I wanted to tap into that talent and creativity. Working with individuals, creating their dream entrance or staircase or any iron element was my thing. Our products are locally manufactured. We're a boutique company here in Dallas, Texas. We actually cater to attention to detail. We don't mass produce things, but we actually work hand in hand with the client to provide the best service possible. We offer a variety of iron products, starting from front doors, staircases, ornamental iron, modern, transitional. We actually work with sliding doors. We do low-profile doors, driveway gates, and lighting as well.
Rosa is my wife, and I am a builder. The ironworks are an important part of the home. In fact, a lot of people refer to it as the jewelry of the home. And when I saw the work that she did on several houses before I started using her, I was amazed. Her work was beautiful. She does classical, traditional, transitional, contemporary, and we've done all those kinds of homes, so she was a perfect fit for us.
When a customer reach out to us, usually they reach us via internet or word of mouth. Typically meet with them at their job site. We look at what kind of product we are going to be working with. And at that point, we present different options as far as design. Sometimes a client knows what they want and they have something in mind. From there, we actually go through the process of sending that to our CAD designer. And he puts in what the vision that we have into more of a technical drawing. Once we hand it over to the designer, we actually make minor changes. We tweak things back and forth until our client is satisfied with the way the design looks.
The product that San Miguel Ironworks made for us was a double front door with iron and frosted glass. Rosa did a terrific job of designing what I wanted, and just took my words and put them on paper and then made them reality. It was very actually comforting to work with San Miguel.
So an iron door is a product that not only adds beauty and elegance to a curb appeal, but also adds security and safety.
I'm a designer. I bought a house and I asked her to come and do my doors, front and back doors. And they are incredible. They are so gorgeous. Front to back, you can see through the house because of these gorgeous doors.
Most of our doors are constructed with a 14 to 16 gauge metal. They come with their own jamb, pre-hung. We use insulated double pane tempered glass, which helps for energy transfer. We provide an adjustable threshold that is aluminum, and it's pretty much heavy duty.
I don't know of another material that would make a statement like that.
The commitment to ultimate customer satisfaction extends far beyond just offering high-quality products. San Miguel Ironworks takes special pride in meeting the specific needs of elderly clients.
We also work with a very special group of people, our elderly. A lot of times they reach out to us because they want some kind of railing up the front steps. I can relate to that because I have a 90-year-old mom that has certain mobility issues, and as you get older, it gets tougher to navigate through these kinds of spaces. So creating an iron handrail will give them the security and safety that they need to be able to navigate through a particular area.
To learn more about San Miguel Ironworks, visit sanmiguelironworks.com and designingspaces.tv.